Komisi Banta Kajing Persang ke Sorkar Jela ban kentir ya kakam jengok kai perthai Menteri Beri Khmi ya Tnat tourism uba polling do ulah pentip baya nan Polok ka barok sikapta kadon hapok kajing pet jing Khmi ka Tnat forest and environment hakani ka kenti an penpai Biang no sya ka Tnat tourism jong ka Sorkar Jela. Haba pentip ikani sikilat pathai kubor hakasipo tarik uyayong arja arpusan uba polling do uloong yakani kara la shim hadin ka jingalang bot Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad Kesangma hakabon nakaliang ka Sorkar kala depan Mang khat prak Klur tingkan nakabentaban Pyniphuh Iphieng shu ya katega jaka bakentop ya ka jingsna ya ki jakabam ki sound bat ki light show nalor kiwe Nalor kita ulah pentip ru baya kapor khang an penjelan na kasan baje syakasipo baje menmiet kenang bagi bawan jengok kai perthai kin yo ya kalat banyat pengan.
Good news that we have now gone ahead with retransferring the Wards Lake, the iconic Wards Lake, which is currently with Forest and Environment Department, to the Tourism Department. The Wards Lake, as you know, has even the bridge, which is iconic and symbolic of Meghalaya. It has always been with Tourism Department, but because of certain factors, it was under the custody, the care of the Forest Department. But now we have decided at a meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister that it be retransferred to the Tourism Department. So as we speak, we have already allocated a sum of 18 crores for the immediate development of the lake, including facilities like cafes, sound and light shows, etc. And these facilities, once we are in formal possession of the lake, we will ensure first that the timings will change. The closure will not be 5 p.m. as it is today. It will be 10 p.m. And it will also create facilities for leisure and entertainment for visitors to Shillong who complain of not having any activities during evening hours. It will also help our government employees to, the offices close at 5 and the lake shuts at 5. So at least they should have some time to walk around and do physical exercise. A major attraction would be the sound and light show because this will also attract people. We will have events, we will have shows, something that other cities, more advanced cities, have been able to manage. So we will upscale the entertainment value of the lake.
Well, you said retransfer. So after how many years it is retransferred?
It has always been with the Tourism Department, and we are now seeking its retransfer to the department from the Forest Department, which has been agreed upon a couple of weeks back.
No, I'm asking when was it given to Forest Department?
I can't remember dates.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.